Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are adding a 2.5-inch SSD to our ASUS VivoBook laptop. So I wanted to show you guys this real quick. We got a double-coated tissue tape is what I'm going to use to help secure the SSD. None of my 2.5-inch caddies would work, so I'm improvising. So we have our PH1 screwdriver. We have our SSD, 2.5 inches. A hard drive would also work, as long as it's 2.5 inches. We have our plastic prying tools, and we have our HDD or SSD connector. So I got that off Amazon for 12 bucks. They range from $9 to $12 on eBay and on Amazon. You just gotta search your laptop model number and just type in a HDD or SSD connector. So let us unscrew. Our first row of four screws are short. So I'm going to put up a photo as well so that it'll help you guys differentiate these screws. So I'm going to organize them by row. So there's 10 screws total. So we just did the first 4. So the second row has 3 screws. I'm going to group this second row together as well. And then our top row has a longer middle screw. And then 2 shorter screws. Here's the photo. So as you can see on the left, the middle screw is longer than the other 2 screws, and the 4 screws on the right are the shortest. So the 4 short screws are from the first row. So now we're going to use our plastic prying tool and go around. This is a great laptop to open up. The vent part is a little bit tricky, and you're going to see like some rubber lining as well. We have opened up this laptop before, so it's much easier for me to pry open. Just kind of gradually go around. And there. Oh, as you can see, like I did hit something. The vent is fine. A little bit of foam material or something sticking out, but I'll get rid of that later when we close up the laptop. So actually, if you notice, here, let me pull out the bottom cover. Here's what the bottom cover looks like. All right. So let's remove this metal bracket right here. 3 screws, 1 black screw and 2 silver screws. So we're removing this metal bracket so that we can get to the battery. So we got to disconnect our battery, of course. So I'm just going to gradually push this up and then lift the side to disconnect the battery. So let me show you guys one more time. So I'm just going to push this up right here and then hit it on the side a little bit. Boom. Battery disconnected. Alright, so next thing we got to do is we have our SSD connector. Let's remove this. So yeah, none of my brackets would work. I'm also open to suggestions, but in my opinion, you could totally use double-sided foam tape, or me, I'm just gonna use the that foam to help secure the SSD in place. Yeah, it's a weirdly sized space for the 2.5-inch SSD, but basically I'm improvising. So we have our connector right here. So I'm gonna connect it, and I just want to see like what's the best placement. Right. So this is where we're gonna connect our SSD. So yeah, like I said, if you have double-sided foam tape or something, you could use it to hold it in place. So this is the best placement that I could figure out for my SSD. I'm just gonna put this in. Close this right there. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is put our foam. So it's tissue tape apparently. So what it's going to do is when we put the bottom cover back on, it's going to help secure the SSD so it prevents it from moving. I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. You know, it's an SSD, so it won't be moving. So all we got to do is reconnect our battery. We can put back our bracket. So yeah, I did remove a little bit of that rubber lining that came off on the back of the laptop, so now it's clear. Pretty weird. But you know, looks like the laptop's fine. Yeah, that's the thing with this laptop. It has a lot of vents. I mean, the vent is just, there's a lot of vents on this thing. So I'm putting back the 3 screws to secure the bracket. So 1 black screw on the left, and we got 2 silver screws. All right, so now we can put back the bottom cover. So yeah, keep in mind, if you do open up the laptop, you will void the warranty. So let me wipe it down a little bit before we put back our screws. So far, so good. All right, so long screw up in the middle. All right, second row of screws. And the last 4 screws. All right, now let us boot up our laptop. So everything booted up fine. So now we have to go into our create and format hard disk partitions. So here we're going to have to choose how we want to initialize our SSD, either MBR or GPT. So it's only a 120GB SSD, so I'm just going to go for the MBR, but it's really up to you and what you need. So I'm going to click OK. Now it turns into unallocated space. Right click, new simple volume. Gonna do next, and then next again. And then I'm just gonna name it Adata or something. Just something simple so that I know. You know, I might remove this SSD in the future. We'll see. And then press finish. And there we go. So it looks like it's formatting. Once it's done, you have 111 gigabytes of storage. So that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.